Mustang Coupe. I am here with
Bill Wyndham, Classic Auto Mall.
Classic Auto Mall.
Yeah.
Tell me about Classic Auto Mall.
Classic Auto Mall was a vacant shopping mall, 88,000 square feet, that the owner decided to turn into an auto mall.
Where is this located?
Morgantown, Pennsylvania, right off the Pennsylvania.
I'm going to visit you guys.
800 cars.
I'm close to them, guys. I'm going to visit. Of course, we're going to cover Mustangs and Cobras. Yeah. That's what we do.
We have them there.
You're not familiar with MustangMedic?
No.
Okay, I'm not going to take that personally.
Okay.
So he's new with MustangMedic, but guess what he has access to? You don't own this car, do you?
No, we are selling it for a client.
Oh, you're selling it?
Yes.
How much are you selling it for?
$850,000.
$850,000 for a real 1964 racing Cobra, AC Cobra, guys. I'm going to turn it around. I'm going to give the show to you, and he's going to tell us about the details. How would they contact you if they want to buy this car?
ClassicAutomall.com.
ClassicAutomall.com. There it is. There's the type. I put it in when I edited the video. See that? All right, so here it goes. Let's see this beauty, and let's hear about the history.
What we have is a 1964 Shelby Cobra, the real deal. It's not a kit car. You can see that this is the FIA body car, which was a competition car in Europe, raced in the United States, differentiated by the fact that the early 64 289s had what they called slab sides.
I'm staying close to you because if you could talk a little bit louder, it'd be better.
Okay.
It'll help you. There's a lot of ambient noise.
Okay. The standard 289.
It's got a 289 in it, doesn't it?
That's correct.
That's amazing. Are they rare? They're rare, aren't they, with 289s?
Well, they built the 289s to like 65, then to 427. Big block was the hot car, the SC.
But this is
sport competition.
It makes it more rare, doesn't it?
They're about the same.
Yeah,
quite frankly.
All right.
A lot of people prefer the 289. It's a more balanced car versus the 427 SC car.
Yeah.
A little more weight on the front.
I've been in not a real one, but I've experienced the big engine in the small car. It's crazy.
Yep. But getting back to what was available to the public in 64 was the slab-sided car. And you'd notice they had much smaller flared fenders and a flat slab side going down the side. Also, you see that this has the competition Hallebrand racing wheels with wheel knockoffs and spinners. Also, the competition roll hoop, the competition gas filler cap for pit stops, for fast filling. And that's what makes it a little more unique than the standard 289. Again, it's the FIA car, which was the competition factory Cobra raced by Carroll Shelby's team in 64 and 65. Smaller 289 engine, but it gave a great balance to the car for braking, acceleration, and handling.
Yeah, no joke.
This car was actually initially built for one of the executives for Ford Motor Car. And
do you know the name?
I have it. It's in the description of the car.
Okay.
But I don't know the name off the top of my head.
But it does have a history.
It does have a
Ford
history.
Employee.
Yep.
Okay.
Yep. And that's what makes it unique because of the FIA body on the car.
So let's pan around, guys. I'm gonna pan around. I haven't got a mic on. I'm sorry. What's your name?
Bill.
On Bill. I haven't got a mic on Bill, so I'm just gonna do the walk around, and he can continue to fill in the details because he knows a heck of a lot more about this car than I do. But this is for sale for $850,000. This is for sale at this gentleman's organization for $850,000. If you're choking on that price, don't, because the car is really rare. It is worth a lot of money, and it's the history is what you're paying for. This is the real deal. This is not a kit car. I'm not bagging on the kit car, guys. You guys can have the experience. Trust me. I think I would rather have a kit car driving around the road, getting rear-ended by it. This thing, you don't want to be around people that might be texting or something, if you know what I mean. And is this original paint?
No, it's been repainted.
It's been repainted. Okay, it's original. It's the original color, of course.
Correct.
It's original color, but it's been repainted. But she is beautiful, beautiful. Looking inside the mouth. There's her tongue. Sorry, I get a little weird sometimes. I apologize. But look at the detail in this car. And there's the 289. Those Cobra covers, those aren't original, right?
Yes, they are.
They're original?
Yep.
I didn't know that. Those Cobra, powered by Ford, all those replicas that people put on their cars, they're the real deal. They are original cars. Sorry for my shadow. But look, this kind of grime and everything you see on it only makes it worth more. Believe it or not, when you totally restore a car, you actually cut the value out of it a little bit for original cars. I know it's hard to believe, but it's true. I learned that painfully, but she's a beauty. Here, I'll give you a view if you were driving her with the hood open. There it is. Great. Anything else you want to tell us about the car?
No, it's all good.
All right.
Come visit us at Classic Auto Mall.
Thank you, Bill.
You're welcome.
All right, there it is, guys. A real original Cobra. I don't know how many are left. Do you know, Bill, do you know how many are left of Cobras, the original Cobras? Do you have a number? Yeah, you got a number?
Probably somewhere around 400.
400?
Between the 420, from 64 production to 67, the 427s, and the 289s.
I met somebody that owns 7 of them. He bought them when they were wrecked. And you believe it? Yeah, oh, he does. Trust me, he does. There it is, guys. Really cool. Really cool. Here at the Philadelphia Auto Show, 2019.
We take the frustration out of restoration.